Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
The first priority is safety and legal compliance before touching any firearm tool. Always ensure the firearm is unloaded and the magazine is removed. Keep your finger off the trigger and point the firearm in a safe direction. Verify chamber and magazine well visually and physically where allowed by law. If you are uncertain about the condition or procedure, stop immediately and consult a certified gunsmith or range safety officer. Follow all local laws and manufacturer warnings. Treat every gun as if it is loaded until proven otherwise, without exception. Before attempting any maintenance, confirm applicable laws and manufacturer guidance for magazines. Some jurisdictions restrict magazine modification, capacity, or disassembly. Manufacturer warnings and warranty terms can restrict user disassembly or modifications. Rely on owner manuals for safe maintenance practices rather than informal advice. If legal status is unclear, seek documented permission or professional service. A certified gunsmith can perform compliant maintenance and preserve warranty coverage. Use a certified gunsmith for repairs beyond basic inspection or cleaning to avoid risk. Professional service preserves safety, legal compliance, and warranty coverage for your equipment. If a magazine shows damage, cracks, or feeding issues, stop use immediately and seek expert repair. Do not improvise tools or methods that could cause malfunction or injury. Maintain magazines with approved cleaning agents and parts only, as specified by the manufacturer. Document any professional work for safety records and legal protection in the future.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.